Want to shock everyone in your class by becoming the ultimate topper? Imagine people staring at your high marks, asking for your secret strategy. This short video can turn that dream into absolute reality. I will reveal 3 unusual study secrets to boost your concentration. These hacks will make learning faster and double your exam scores. Don't skip, because this single habit will change your entire academic life. Secret number 1 is mastering the 25-minute extreme focus method. Study with absolute dedication for 25 minutes, then rest for 5. Lock your phone away and block every single digital notification completely. Your brain cannot maintain high energy for hours without a break. Short intervals reduce mental pressure and prevent quick brain exhaustion. Smart students don't overwork, they just manage their energy better. Secret number 2. Stop waiting for motivation to strike you. Motivation is unpredictable, but discipline delivers consistent daily progress. Top achievers don't wait for the perfect mood, they just start. Real momentum builds up only after you take the first step. Just force yourself to read for 5 minutes to break inertia. Once you begin, your mind automatically locks into focus mode. The final secret weapon is prioritizing deep, quality sleep. Sacrificing sleep for late-night cramming actually ruins your brain power. A sleepy brain struggles to remember or process new information. Proper rest sharpens your memory and doubles your learning speed. Toppers value a fresh mind over fake, exhausting all-nighters. Remember, mental focus is a muscle that grows with daily practice. It will feel boring and difficult during the first few days, but stay consistent, trust your effort, and watch your mind adapt. Soon, you will easily study for hours without any distractions. Hit that subscribe button for more powerful growth shortcuts.